I start with scrambling the 2x2 and 3x3 cube and want to make the same procedure with every one of these two cubes. Let's start. F2 R' U' L' B' RF U' L' D2B R2 D2 F U2 F2 L2 D2 L2 F. Again F2 R' U' L' B' RF U' L' D2 B R2 D2 F U2 F2 L2 D2 L2 F. The corners are the same. Let's start. I'm looking to the colors and blue is good. I start with blue. Okay, blue. Yes, I did it. Now I come to the other hand, to the other side. I make it green with OLL. And the same with the other cube. Now I take the sides. I've got these two red corners and downside orange. This cube is ready. Now I see here orange and red. And now I've got the axis. That's the first one I have to do. Now I come to the edges, from the corners to the edges. I start with yellow. In the middle layer I see one yellow-orange edge. I take it to the left hand and to the right hand yellow-orange and so on. Yellow-green, yellow-red, yellow-green, yellow-orange, that's enough. Now to the other hand, white-red. Oh, that's false. Not with green, with red. Yes, and white-blue here. Now I see white-orange. So, and what's on white-green, yes. That's alright. And to the other hand, I've got one edge I have to change. Yellow, blue, I'm searching for yellow, blue, there it is. That, just see. It's ready. So now I've got a sandwich and have to change the colors in the middle layer. Nothing is ready. Green, yellow, green, orange has to get there. That's right. Green, red is right. And these two edges are switched. I have to switch it back. And ready. That's easy. And it's fast, I think.